We're reviewing an in-vehicle multimedia car display 10.26-inch front camera and rear camera hookup. It is an Apple Android unit. Let's open it up and show you what you get inside the box. Hooking up the rear camera, assembly is required. It's as easy as placing on the dash and sticking on. Everything that you get in the box is a nice large display. This is the 10 and 26-inch unit. Please remember to peel the film off. On the back of the unit, on the camera itself, you have the mounting unit, flexible, adjustable, and removable, and the camera that goes up and down. The on and off button, ports and plugs. Inside is a suction cup arm. The rear backup camera, DIN plug, 2.5 millimeter with the 12-volt cable to hook up to a source. Reverse light hookup. And a 12-volt outlet plug with an inline fuse inside the nipple. An accessory package kit of a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable. The self-adhesive sticker, double-sided. The backup camera self-adhesive and screw. And a SDXC card. And an instruction guide how to install and hook up. Showing the setup by turning the unit on for power and hitting the on button, we have a logo that lights up. This is a wireless CarPlay for Apple Android. We have included 64 gig memory to install. We have the front camera. By touching the screen, which is touch sensitive, we have the rear camera. We have CarPlay, hooking up your phone to Apple or Droid via Bluetooth. We have a return and we have a setting. In this setting, we have resolution, recording time, recording, auxiliary button, pull mirror back, screensaver, driving position, CarPlay, auto screen mode, reverse line calibration, language, time setting, clear connection history, touch sound effect, format, and factory restore. If your car is equipped through an application or the car, the pull mirror back, click, open, and close. Reverse line calibration, as we press on that, you'll see this is the reverse camera in full, and these are the lines that you see when you hook up the red lead to the car. HD resolution 1080, 2K, 4K. The CarPlay screen, we can have a full screen or half screen. As we go back to the home, this is the half screen. It is divided up into 2 pages. We're going to hook up known as F900. It asks for a code, pair, and allow. We are now hooked up to our phone, just like that. We can make phone calls, listen to music, do a map, messages, what's playing, the date, audiobook, news, podcasts, and more. If I hit the phone, I can make phone calls to whoever I have in the list. This is the map. I could go ahead and look wherever I want into the map and put in directions. Siri, the weather. Siri will give the weather. We have the sound muted. In the settings of our phone and our unit, we could do different things of the unit. These are just some of the things that you could do with CarPlay. With the options of permanent mount and the gimbal that swivels, and easy to attach by simply lining up and pressing forward and pushing down and off. With the self-adhesive sticker applied to your dash with the flexible base made of rubber, correctly place on and lock into place. With our option, we remove the plastic film of the suction cup. We adjust our extension arm and the suction cup. Find a location, stick, and lock. and swivel. Place on the unit, lifting up and adjusting nearly 360 degrees your camera. Locking into place and adjusting the angle and your camera. We are set up to turn the unit on by pressing the button. We have our phone. We are with the car, reverse camera, forward camera. We can mirror cast what's on our phone. We're going to show you the auxiliary cable and series of weather. What is the weather?
It's currently cloudy and 77 degrees. Expect partly cloudy skies.
The unit could be speaker driven without auxiliary or through your car system. We have a screen display that without pressing over a minute, the screen will go to a screensaver. To wake up the screen, simply tap. These are just some of the features and functions of the unit. If we want to calibrate our lines, we simply press drawer. So when we move our car, we know where and the safe values are at. When all done, simply shut down, the unit shuts off. When turning back on, the unit automatically turns on and is ready to go for the next time. To remove the unit is simply unsuctioning and strong pulling off. I hope the 10.26 Carplay is something that you are looking for in your automobile needs. Thank you for viewing.